Welcome! If you're looking to disable the high-quality video feature on Discord to save some data on your Android device, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, it's time to tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your user settings. Now look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that to access your settings menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Chat. Give that a tap to proceed. Next, take a look at the section titled Data Consumption. Here, you'll find important settings related to how Discord uses data on your device. To disable sending high-quality video, you simply need to turn on the data saving mode. By activating this mode, you'll ensure that Discord automatically optimizes your video quality, helping you save on data usage while still enjoying your chats and calls. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the high-quality video feature on Discord. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.